Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube and Twitter video for today on the 12th of December 2025. So I've not traded today as I took it off as it's Friday and I want to use my trading freedom. So we just made the watch list and the free live stream, so you can join the Discord, link in the video description or Twitter bio for a free live stream 3 to 4 times a week. And we just made this watch list looking for trades. And I'll be watching this, a TLRY over 11.5, push beyond there for a move of plus 6% on this one. So we're going on that's for a day trade in my opinion. It's going to move at least 6% if it breaks properly. It's 11.5 with our special criteria for entry. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. So we're currently at 1:17 p.m. Eastern time, and we need a 4-hour close over the 200 exponential moving average. No, sorry, 200 simple moving average at 11.62. So I say just a 4-hour close over 11.7 to be honest. For continuation to next week, in my opinion, or after hours. Who knows? But getting rid of this down here. Apologies for that. So again, just a 4-hour close over 11.7. So should see it gradually continue towards 12.8 for a plus 11% move. Which looks good for a swing trade in my opinion. Just reclaiming this 4-hour 200 simple moving average. And also that would mean the candle turns green, which is good. You want a green candle to enter on. You want to buy in strength, in my opinion. The daily time frame here, you've already strong bottom wick here against 200 exponential moving average here on the daily. And 60 EMA, 60 exponential moving average here on the daily as well here. So our daily close again over 11.7 should be good and see continuation at some point next week for a swing trade. It does look good. Let's quickly check the weekly whilst we're here. Weekly engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, and just a weekly close over 11.7 again. Just making a statement to close definitely above 11.5 rather than just on it. Would also be engulfing this Bollinger Band center, which means when you're above it, it's 65% more likely to be above it, and therefore looking for continuation next week. So looks good, guys. TLRY, if you can close over 11.7 on the 4-hour time frame. So next we're going on ARBKL, and this will be a quick video today. So again, if you want to learn more about how to trade, you can check us out in the link in the video description and the Twitter bio to see my seminars, trading plan, and trade reviews. And yeah, you can learn to take trades when I take days off. Which we're all doing. I had a message about someone buying a gaming PC today with the winnings from the past couple of weeks. So all good stuff. So anyway, ARBKL, watching this for a push over 5.5 for an entry. I'd say in my opinion, if it was to break over 5.5, it'd run a minimum of 8% and look for that on a day trading basis. If it can do before market close today. Obviously it's 1:19 now, Eastern time on the Friday. I wouldn't want to hold it over the weekend. Looking at the 5-minute time frame because we need to look at a stronger time frame to be able to swing trade, and it's just a rejection really from the main resistance of 6.8. So I wouldn't hold it over the weekend. I'd wait for a 4-hour close of a 6.8 to look to swing trade this in my opinion. So I'd avoid it. However, the daily does look good, so trade at your own risk because we are engulfing the 200 MA and 200 EMA, which is good, but also it just still looks like a rejection from 6.8. It just looks and presents to me with a strong top wick against the resistance. So be a bit careful of this one. If it loses 3.2, it's definitely done. I wouldn't look to swing trade it like TLRY. I'd look to day trade it. And if it can't get over 5.5 by the end of today, I'll avoid it. And finishing up on YCBD. So entry coming on here. Push over 1.3 for a move of 6%. Probably. So let's just shove it in a falling wedge. It's a continuation pattern, so you go from a symmetrical triangle to a falling wedge to continue the pattern. And yeah, be watching this for a break of 1.3 for a move of plus 6%. I'll see upwards, and I'd know how much to enter with, which will be disclosed to the Discord. Take my daily goal in one trade. I might even take it later, despite not trading later as I'm doing this video. So yeah, if you want to know how to trade, because we're going to be breaking not only a 1-day resistance, but the Bollinger Band center, and if we're above this, we're 65% more likely to be above it, and therefore starts to favour a move to the upside, doesn't it? Keep on trending up, maybe towards the top of the wedge. The up first over here at 1.49. So yeah, I'd be watching this for a day trade of 1.3, the 4-hour. I'd avoid this for a swing trade. We need to get a 4-hour close over 1.3 for a bit of a swing trade in this, to engulf the resistance of 1.3. Currently just a red candle beneath the resistance, so it's not good. So this is a 4-hour close of 1.3 and the daily clean rejection from the 200 exponential moving average at 1.54. They'd be waiting for a daily close over 1.6 for continuation on this, and I'd only look to swing it if it were to have a daily close over 1.6. So look for a day trade if it can break over 1.3, then look for a swing trade in the daily time frame if it can break over 1.6. However, with trading though, you want to always look at the downside risks, and if we lose 0.9, we're done. And you can really see that on the 5-minute. If we lose 0.9, To be fair, a 4 hour close beneath 0.9 isn't good. I'll say it's done. But on the 5 minute, a 5 minute close beneath 0.75, that extrapolates quicker, then it's done in that sense. And we forgot to look at the downside on the other one. So ARBKL, if it loses 4, you're looking for a drop in towards 3. And then if it loses 3, I think this one's done in the 5 minute. If it loses, and again, I wouldn't look at this for a swing trade anyway. It's just a bit too risky. So ultimately, if it loses 3, it's done on this on the 5 minute. So if you want to know how to do this, pretty simple. Step from 0, learn how to open up a chart and download the Webull software. So step 10 of wick-off theory, learn about the markup phase, the markdown phase, the up thrust, and all that wick-off accumulation and distribution sort of stuff. Step 0 to 10 of how to become an advanced trader. You can see my seminar package. You can see my trader views in short style 4 to 6 minute videos to learn how to take trades like me on a daily basis, which win 8 to 9 times out of 10. And as well as publishing our trading journals. Because the market, as a day trader, you have to be responsive to market sentiment and be proactive to keep on kicking forward and using your initiative moving forward throughout all market conditions. If that's something which floats your boat and you'd like to take up, even if you want to do it on a part-time basis, you can follow Swing Traders. Here we have 2 or 3. We've got 3 coming soon next week. Currently 2 advanced swing traders. So if you don't have time to do all the day trading, you can just take 1 or 2 swings a week and watch it add to your monthly pay slip from whatever you do. And I'll leave it here, guys. So thanks for watching us on YouTube and Twitter, and I'll catch you all next week. And have a good weekend.